All right, I have just received the Summer-ween box from Adhesive Apothecary. And I've seen pictures and I'm really excited to see what's in here. I know it's in here, but I'm excited to actually get to see them. So there are 3 Motionless magic layers. These 2 are new. Holy Grail has been around for a little bit, and I think it's great because it's white, but you can mix it with a lot of the other colors, lighten them and change them up a little bit. This one's new. It's called One in a Melon and Melondramatic, which I think is kind of cute. So they all of the Motionless magic layers come with the seal on them. So you peel that off, and then you also want to cut off this tip right here so that it comes out of the bottle a little bit quicker. So 2 new colors, and then we've also got the white one in there. We have one of the hooks to get the bubble out. These are curved. We have new potion elements. These have little watermelons and stars, and it looks like red sprinkles. I mean, they're all sprinkles. I don't know what they're called. The little straight ones. What are they called? So I think these are really nice in size. They look like they will get in the hole. That's what she said. Get in the hole pretty easily for this size. Sometimes sprinkles can be a little bit big, but these are perfect. And then the black ones, it looks like there are tiny little bats and some of the black, solid black sprinkles. Here we go. And some teeny little bats and some teeny little bats and some sprinkles. Also have a bottle of suspended levitation solution. This is my favorite of all the levitation solutions, although I like the clear motionless magic too. But I like suspended if I wanted to move it all, because it'll move a little bit. So I've got a bottle of that. And then this is what I was the most excited about. Look at this. It's double-sided. I didn't know that double-sided UV DTFs were a thing. My mind is blown, and I love the idea of this. If you're using, if you put it in a cup and the cup is empty, or if you're drinking water, then you can see through it. You won't see the white backing, which is kind of amazing. These types of decals would look really pretty too on like an acrylic sign, because it'll add a little dimension, the double sides would. This one is also double-sided. That's kind of amazing. So little watermelon seeds and black stars, white dots. So what I think I'm going to do with this is, I think for this more Halloween-y type one, I'm going to put it on this white cup. And then I could probably I'll probably cut this piece off, maybe, and maybe that watermelon. I'm not sure how I'll cut it, but I'm going to cut some of those overlapping parts off. I think that'd be cute, because then you can see through it. And with that one, I think I'm going to put the black sprinkles in there. And then I think for this one, I'm going to put it on just a regular glass snow globe. And I think I'm going to use these watermelon ones. I'll have to think about that, but I'm excited about that. I think I'm going to use, actually, I'm going to do the layers. I'm going to do the layers in this one. I don't know if I'm going to use the white or not. I might do clear Motionless Magic. So I might do green on the bottom, clear in the middle, and then in the clear part, I might put some sprinkles and then the pink on the top. I'm not sure yet. I've got some thinking to do, but this is what is in the, let me get this out of the way. This is what is in the summer, she's calling it Summer-ween, I think, Adhesive Apothecary box. And I know this sold out pretty quickly, but I think she's going to release some on Wednesday at, I think, 1 p.m. I'm not sure, but I think that's when she's going to put them out there on either Instagram or TikTok. I will post an update on that. But here's what's in the box. I love it. If you get your hands on it, or if you already have one, I hope you love it too. Thanks.